Mastering your pistol draw just comes from repetition, and it's basically a 4-step series. We'll run through that in a minute, but first, let me remind you that we got a gun giveaway going on. It's happening right now, but it ends really soon. So just click the link in the description down below to learn which brand new gun you could win. Now, let's talk about that 4-step pistol draw. Actually, we're kind of adding another step in there because we want you to clear your cover garment. Don't do this with an outside the waistband holster like you're pretending quick draw or something like that. Work as if you're really carrying your gun for self-defense. So first step is removing or clearing that cover garment. Get down there with your offhand and pull the shirt up high and out of the way. Then establish your master grip on that gun immediately. And once you've got a full solid master grip, notice my index finger, my trigger finger is indexed away from the trigger as the gun comes out. Pull the gun straight up, rotate, and then come together, and now you're out on target. Now you can fire. You find your sights, you fire. It's all there is to it. Do that thousands of times. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. Want to know when it's legal to draw your gun? Click the video right next to me to reveal a detailed explanation from a former police officer and competitive shooter.
Let me give you a definition of lethal force. Lethal force is any force that would cause death or great bodily harm.